National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake wind point Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., a strong thunderstorm, located over Kenosha, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impact.